guys, we're back out here. It's Tuckfest weekend. I'm a bit rusty this year. I haven't paddled nearly as much as I have in previous years, and I don't know. I'm kind of just okay with that. I'm just not able to get out on the water as much this year. I do a lot of ultimate frisbee, and that's kind of taken a priority this year for me. And so I'm just out here having fun today. Probably gonna get my butt handed to me. Probably gonna flip a couple times, and I'm still working on that roll, and hopefully I can roll up by myself today, because I think it's just me out here cruising for this first little bit. We're just gonna take kind of casual, couple laps down. I don't want to get in any of the racers' way out here at Tuckfest, and yeah, so come along on the ride with me. Like I said, I know my last video out here, I was kind of a train wreck. Definitely didn't have my sea or river legs under me, but that felt pretty good. It just feels so nice to be able to run a lap, a nice clean-ish lap, and yeah, it felt pretty good. The conveyor belt seems to be stuck for whatever reason, so there's a bunch of people walking their boats out. But man, I'm just out here to vibe, so I'm just gonna chill until that comes back on. Got all the vendor booths out here. I don't know why that guy was hooping and hollering, but it's a nice day. Yeah, this guy that was hooping and hollering, it's Steven.
Hey, hello.
What boat is this?
This is a Vanguard.
Why?
Boats.
Huh? Oh, are you demoing? Oh, that's right. The belt's off. Alright, I guess we are walking our boats back. I ain't gonna be doing too many laps if this belt's off the whole time. Woo! Woo! Let's go! Yeah! Oh boy. I think we're hitting the comp channel. Oh, I'm just realizing this is the first time I've done it with this many people. Because it was like closing day, the day that I did it.
Yeah, everybody's watching. No pressure.
Uh-oh.
We're doing it well.
All right.
Once you're down, you'll remember the line.
Yeah.
I'll go first if you want me to.
Sure.
However you want.
It doesn't matter.
Okay. How's it going? Redemption! Let's do it!
Do we think I can get in here? No?
It's surging like crazy.
No!
No. Okay.
There's no chance, but I want to do it! No! No! Yeah! Can't do it! Man, that was so close. I think we're going again. That's so stinking close. That was so fun. Alright, my GoPro died. I've quickly reassembled here. We're about to go down the drop. I think I'm going to try this one more time. Third time's a charm. I might botch it, but... Chill out. Let the adrenaline calm down. Woo! So bad. Don't do this, people.
A little extra.